In this video, we will be doing coordinate geometry. So we have here, show that ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid. So as you know, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with two parallel sides. And then an isosceles trapezoid has two congruent legs, here and here. So the way we're going to do this is we're first going to calculate M1 right here and M2 down there. So M1 up here, as you know, the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which here is 10 minus 8 over 8 minus 4. So 10 minus 8 over 8 minus 4, which is then 2 over 4, which is then 1/2. So M1 is 1/2. Now we're going to calculate M2. M2 equals 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 over 14 minus 2 over 14 minus 2, which is then 6 over 12, which is 1/2. So M2 is also 1/2. So far we know this is a trapezoid. So now we need to show this is an isosceles trapezoid by calculating the distance from A to B and from C to D. Now remember, distance formula, D, is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now you might notice that this looks a lot like Pythagorean Theorem. And if you are seeing that, you are correct. One way to think about distance formula is Pythagorean Theorem. So we go there and we go here, and that is the hypotenuse of the triangle. We can also go here and there, and that is the hypotenuse again of the triangle. If you can think of it this way, you'll never forget it. So now for this distance right here, D1, we're going to have the square root of 4 minus 2 squared plus 8 minus 2 squared, which then is the square root of 2 squared, which is 4, plus 6 squared, which is 36, which gets us the square root of 40. If you need to reduce it for your class, that is then square root of 4 times the square root of 10, which is 2 root 10. So this is 2 times the square root of 10. Now let's go over here. Just to set it off, we'll do the second one in red right there. So that will be the square root of 14 minus 8 squared plus 8 minus 10 squared, and that is 14 minus 8 is 6, squared is 36. 8 minus 10 is -2, squared is 4, and that again gets us the square root of 40, which we can reduce to 2 root 10. So D2 is 2 root 10. That tells us that we do have an isosceles trapezoid because these two sides are parallel and these two legs of the trapezoid are congruent. And again, remember, if you can think of distance formula as Pythagorean theorem and draw it out on the diagram, you will never forget it. So keep that in your mind. And we are done.